Science is supposed to bring confidence, answers, stability, but some discoveries don't do that. They don't excite scientists, they unsettle them, because instead of explaining reality, they expose how fragile our understanding really is. These discoveries didn't just add knowledge, they created fear. These are 20 discoveries that made scientists nervous. The universe is expanding faster than expected. Expansion wasn't the scary part. Acceleration was something is pushing the universe apart. No known force explains it. Physics still doesn't know what's doing it. Most of the universe is invisible. Everything we see makes up a tiny fraction of existence. The rest doesn't emit light, doesn't behave normally. It holds galaxies together, yet refuses to be detected directly. Reality breaks at the smallest scale at very small sizes. Cause and effect blur. Particles behave like probabilities. Outcomes exist before decisions. Logic still works. Reality doesn't. Time doesn't behave universally. Time slows near massive objects. It speeds up far away. It stretches, bends, and disagrees with itself. There is no single clock for the universe. The brain can generate consciousness without identity awareness, can exist without a sense of self. Thought continues. Experience remains. The self is optional. Life exists in places it shouldn't. Deep underground, frozen solid, exposed to radiation. Life adapts where theory says it can't. Human memory is actively unreliable. Memories rewrite themselves. Confidence grows as accuracy decays. Eyewitness certainty became scientifically suspect. Randomness creates order. Chaos builds structure. Stars form. Life emerges. Order appears without guidance. No one planned it. The brain decides before consciousness. Notice choice. Awareness arrives late. Free will became harder to define. Space-time can tear. Under extreme conditions, reality itself destabilizes. Equations predict points where physics stops working. No rules apply past them. The laws of physics may change. Some constants appear. Small changes would erase existence. No reason is given for their values. Observation alters reality. Measuring a system changes its outcome. Reality reacts to being watched. Objectivity becomes conditional. The brain can hallucinate entire realities with the right conditions. Perception detaches completely. The brain fills gaps with certainty. Reality becomes negotiable. Consciousness doesn't scale with brain size. Some people function with massive brain loss. Others lose awareness with minimal damage. Structure alone doesn't explain experience. Nothingness isn't empty. Vacuum space seethes with activity. Particles appear and vanish. Even nothing refuses to stay quiet. Time might not be fundamental. Some theories treat time as emergent, a side effect, not a base rule. Remove it, and equations still work. The universe has no preferred direction. No center, no edge, no up. Meaningful orientation doesn't exist. Reality allows incomplete explanations. Models predict accurately without being true. Usefulness replaced certainty. Intelligence can emerge without design. Complex systems. Learned behaviors never programmed. Control becomes probabilistic. Predictability fades. Science keeps finding questions, not endings. Every answer opens deeper uncertainty. Knowledge expands. Confidence shrinks. The more science learns, the less final reality appears. These discoveries didn't fail science. They revealed its limits. Science works. But reality isn't obligated to be simple, and every nervous discovery points to the same truth. We're not uncovering a clean system. We're mapping something that was never designed to be comfortable.